Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Raise to Wake on your iPhone. So when you lift up your phone, it doesn't turn on the screen or anything like that. So all you have to do is do this, and your phone will turn on. Now to turn this off or on, it's very easy. Let's go to Settings, locate Display and Brightness, scroll on down under here, and here's the option right here, Raise to Wake. So we can turn this off now. Then turn off our phone. And if we lift it up and down, it's not going to just turn on us. So we have to press the power button and then use our face to unlock it. Otherwise, the number pad. And you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.